Hello my students, I am Shantanu. Welcome back to my channel again. With reference to my previous videos, today in this video I'll discuss some more important antonyms along with some synonyms for the upcoming SSC CGL exam 2022. So kindly keep watching my videos regularly, subscribe to my channels and also press the notification bell icon for more such videos. Before starting the class, I should say that if you have any inquiries regarding any part of this class, you can easily make your comments in the comments box. So my students, I am going to take my class. Kindly keep your eyes over the board. Now look over the first question, panacea. Now what is the meaning of panacea? If I just analyze the word panacea to a little extent, panacea means a remedy for all diseases or problems. Okay. Now if I just go over the options, malady. Malady itself means disease or ailment, etc. Cure, you all know the meaning of cure, still I am telling. Cure means heal, H-E-A-L, heal. Now if I just go for the next option, it means elixir. Elixir means a remedy to enhance longevity. You can say a remedy to enhance longevity. Now if I just go for the word nostrum, nostrum means an idea to solve some difficult problems. An idea to solve some difficult problems. So panacea, elixir, nostrum are almost equal in meaning except some differences. Now if I just go for the word antony, panacea does not mean cure, elixir or nostrum. Then what is left? Malady. If panacea means curing disease, on the other hand, malady itself means disease or you can say ailments. Okay. So what is the plural form of malady? Maladies. Now if I just pounce on the next question, fatigue. Now what is the meaning of fatigue? Fatigue means tired or exhausted. So if I just look over the sentence, fatigue. Fatigue means you can say exhaust or you can say tired or you can say do up. Yes, there are many meanings. Now if I just go over the option, restive means tireless. Restive means tireless or indefatigable. Restive means R-E-S-T-I-V. Restive means tireless or indefatigable. There are many meanings, I am writing some of them. If I go for the word slouch, slouch you should know, slouch means move or stand or sit in a lazy way. Move or sit or stand, whatever you say. Move or stand or sit in a lazy way. Now if I just go for the option vigor, vigor means extreme courage or mettle or prowess. If I just analyze the word vigor, you can say courage or you can say prowess, something like that. So this is the meaning. You can say mettle, you can say god, etc. There are many words. So now look over the option fatigue. If this is the question, what can be the synonym? If fatigue means something like exhaust or something like that. In that case, slouch cannot be the answer, vigor cannot be the answer, tired cannot be the answer, but tiredness can be the answer. This means restive. So if fatigue means tired or something like that, neither vigor nor slouch or nor tired will be the answer, rather restive will be the answer. Okay. Now if I just go for the word abominable, now what is the meaning of abominable? Abominable means hateful or rancorous or despicable, or you can say something like despising or disdainful. So there are many words. I am just telling some of the words. There is no ending of words or vocabulary in English. So if I just go for the word abominable, it means you can say hateful. Even you can say despicable. Or you can say rancorous. You can say disdainful, etc. Now if I just go for the option total. Total means gross, or gross means, it means overall or total. Grim, what is the meaning of grim? Grim means very serious or very grave, something like that. So grim means serious, or you can say serious, or you can say grave, etc. There are many meanings. Lousy. Now what is the meaning of lousy? Lousy is a very interesting word. Lousy means something very bad or terrible, something very odd, 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 or something like that, something very bad, something very terrible, something very horrible. This is the meaning of lousy, and it means attractive. There is no need to say the meaning of attractive. Now if abominable means hateful, then automatically gross, grim or lousy will be omitted. Then what is left? Attractive. That means what is the synonym for attractive? Abominable. Or what is the synonym for abominable? What is the antonym for abominable? Attractive. What is the antonym for attractive? Abominable. What is the antonym for abominable? It is attractive. So they are interchanged. So the right answer is attractive. Now if I just go over the next question, adamant. Adamant means stubborn, extremely insistent. If I just write the option adamant, it's an adjective form in nature. So adamant. Adamant means insistent. A-D-A-M-A-N-T. Adamant means insistent. Or you can say something like stubborn. Now if I just look for the option reluctant. Reluctant means not interested, unwilling. Reluctance means unwilling or unintentional, etc. There are many words. Glittering means dazzling. D-A. If I just write the word glittering here, glittering means you can say dazzling. Or you can say coruscating, C-O-R-U-S-C-A-T-I-N-G. There are many words. Glazing. Unique. Unique means very special, very different from others. Flexible, you all know the meaning of flexible, that means not stiff at all. Then what can be the answer? If adamant is the question, then neither you can say reluctant or glittering. Unique can be the answer, but you can say flexible. Flexible means not at all stiff. So if I say I am adamant, that means I am not flexible at all. Then in that case, the proper antonym for adamant is flexible here. But if I just go over this, flexible, inflexible can also be the antonym. Now if I just go over the last question, inception. Inception means start or commencement. That is called incept. Now if I just look over the question start, there is no need to tell the meaning of start. But still I am writing some synonym. Another synonym for start is like that. You can say commencement. If I just consider start as noun, then commencement will be the answer as synonym. Cantankerous. Now what is the meaning of cantankerous? Cantankerous means one who quarrels too much, or you can say quarrelsome. It is called quarrelsome. Cantankerous means you can say quarrelsome or pugnacious. There are many meanings, etc. Ent mean, you all know the meaning of ent, etc. There are many meanings. I am telling some of them. There are many meanings. I am telling only some of them. Now, intercept. What is the meaning of intercept? Intercept. It means interfere, or you can say meddle. Now, if I just look over the question inception, automatically start, cantankerous, intercept will be eliminated from the list. Then end will be the answer. Okay. Now, if I just look over the overall questions, panacea, this will be the perfect antonym. For fatigue, restive will be the perfect antonym. For abominable, attractive will be the perfect antonym. For adamant, flexible will be the perfect antonym. And the last one for inception, end will be the perfect antonym. So this is my short analysis for the day. If you think my video is informative for your upcoming exam, SSC CGL, you can easily share my videos with the person needed most. Kindly keep waiting for my next class. Till then, have a very good day.